एक बात पूछूं, आप ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या खाते हो? So we as a family, we focus on 3 things for our breakfast: protein, fiber, healthy fats. And there are 3 things which are a complete no-no. Do you know what they are? Palm oil, maida, and additives like maltodextrin. So when I saw Gladful on Shark Tank, I was super impressed with their ingredients. They use sprouted dals and millets in their chillas, their pancakes, idli, dosa, upma. And those ingredients give 8 grams of protein per serve. And all of that without palm oil, maida, or any other nonsense ingredients. So if you have a fussy eater at home and you want a protein-rich breakfast with clean ingredients, you have to try Gladful.